Hey guys, I'm Charley VegyDise if you haven't met me before, but I'm really excited to be here with you today. If you guys have been watching my shorts, a little while ago I announced that I quit my day job to start creating more for you. I run a blog and I create planners to help you succeed because I believe that if you have a goal in your life and stuff, you can achieve anything you want to as long as you plan. Because the fact that planning is creating a roadmap to success. You're not going to go on a vacation with not knowing where you're going or what you're trying to achieve. Just a heads up, sorry if you hear my cricket in the back. I am working on some new stickers for you guys. So I wanted to give you a studio tour today, officially. So, whoop whoop. I'm really excited about my studio because about that I've been working really hard to get it all together and figure out what works for me along that's like aesthetically pleasing, because if it's not cute, then I'm not going to want to be in here. So, all right, that was just a brief overview, but we have my desk and I finally got 2 monitors. It is my birthday week, so I bought myself a monitor on Black Friday, so I actually could have my second one finally, and it's so exciting. On these, I create my blog articles and stuff. On this one right now, you'll be able to see just a little bit that I'm trying to make adjustments to the planner to make sure it's nice, and then I'll watch TV while I'm doing it. Sorry for the big hand. But then I use my iPad to be able to initiate, and then I have my planner with all my current products and stuff, along with a couple planners down there that I've created and ready to ship, which I'm going to be making more. And then I got my printer and my Cricut and all of my tools, and then my overstock of the things that I need. And then a girl can't achieve her goals without having her planner out. So I got my planner and my little go-getter stickers when I'm running a little low. But I'm prepping next week. And then I got this week. Whoop whoop. All right, if this video is going to be short and sweet and stuff, but if you like my studio and want to support a girl and achieving her dreams, please thumbs up my video and hit like.